Hey everyone, it's Joe with Siser North America and welcome to another episode of the Decoration Zone. Today I want to talk to you about layering multiple EasyWeed colors without messing up your registration. Stick around. Alright, so a rather common dilemma that people deal with when layering HTV is that they don't line up correctly. Now this is due to the fabric or the garment shrinking. Now this will occur with natural fiber materials such as cotton or linen or silk, things like that. So the concept is basically if you took your shirt and threw it in the dryer and it came out a little bit smaller, the heat actually causes that garment to shrink up. Now that's the same concept when you're working with a heat press, is the heating element is causing that garment to shrink up. So if you're working with a synthetic fabric like polyester, you're really not going to deal with much shrinking. And if you do, it's going to be very minuscule. So that is one thing you're going to want to remember when you are working with Siser HTV. So today I'm going to work with these tank tops, and they're actually 90% cotton and 10% polyester. So this will definitely shrink if it's subjected to this heat too long. So I'm working also with various EasyWeeds. I have EasyWeed Stretch, EasyWeed Electric, and regular EasyWeed. I'm gonna layer them all into one design. So my heat press right now is set to 305 degrees. With this tank top, because of the seams, it's going to cause me to get uneven pressure, so I'm going to use this heat transfer pillow. I'm going to make sure my pressure is okay. So right now I'm about a medium pressure with the pillow inside the tank top. So I'm going to start with my first layer, which is white EasyWeed Stretch. And I'm going to tack this with for 1 second. This is the EasyWeed advantage. And then peel the carrier hot. Then I'm going to line up my regular EasyWeed, which is black. Again, I'm going to tack this for 1 second. Peel the carrier. Now my heart, that's EasyWeed Electric. I'm going to tack this for 1 second. And then I'm going to line up my last layer, which is EasyWeed Electric. And then apply it for the full 10 seconds, which is going to cure each layer that is in this design. And there you have it. For more information about our entire lineup of Siser HTV, please visit us at siserna.com or visit your authorized Siser distributor. Thank you so much for hanging out.